Hi, I'm June.
And I'm Ron with the Palmer team, your local real estate resource.
Today we're excited to show you around one of Northwest Peoria's newest communities.
Aloravita.
This neighborhood is tucked right up against the stunning West Wing Mountain Preserves, offering modern homes, smart tech features, and family-friendly amenities, all just minutes from shopping, dining, and top-rated schools.
The primary builder in Aloravita is Ashton Woods, and they've done a phenomenal job here. They offer 14 different floor plans from around 1,579 square feet to over 4,100 square feet with 3 to 6 bedrooms, 2 to 4 car garages, and even RV garages.
And it's not just Ashton Woods. Pulte Homes is also building in the area with floor plans from 1,684 to 382 square feet. And Shea Homes has a collection called Emblem at Aloravita, adding even more variety to the community.
As we know, location is everything. And when it comes to entertainment, Peoria has no shortage of things to do and places to visit.
And when you make Aloravita your home, you don't have to go far for fun, food, and essentials.
If you're looking for the perfect space, style, and location, Aloravita might be the ideal community for you.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button or drop a comment below if you're interested in more information about Aloravita or any other new home tours